My name is Jodie. I work for Swansea Libraries and I'm here today to talk to you about the libraries in Swansea and about the free services that are available for supporting your child and encourage them to read for pleasure. I'm also a parent of 2 children, both of whom have been pupils at Bryn Towey. I realise the struggle as a parent to try and get the children off their phones and devices and to pick up a book and read for pleasure. It is as important as parents to encourage our young adults to read as we did when they were small children. Reading is vital to building children's learning, understanding and communication skills. At 11 to 14 years of age, your child may be too old for bedtime stories, but you can still help shape their reading habits. You can develop your child's interest by encouraging them to read magazines, comics, sports programmes and newspapers as well as books. You can access free e-books, e-magazines and e-audiobooks using your Swansea Library card, and it's free to join any library in Swansea via the website www.swansea.gov.uk/libraries. You can also visit a library building. There are lots of community libraries around Swansea. You'll need to bring one form of ID with you. This also gives you access to books, to learning, to PCs, and also free access to online research for schools. We have a site online called World Books, which is bilingual. So if you're struggling to help them with any of their schoolwork, World Books is a really good tool to use as it can be used in both English and Welsh. You can encourage your child to read by making time to read, limiting internet access and encouraging reading even if it's just for 10 minutes every day. By reading yourself, set a good example by sharing your reading and let your children see that you value books to keep them at home. And to visit your library. It's free to join and all libraries have children's sections, young adult sections and a wide variety of both English and Welsh books are available to loan. There's also free internet access and free Wi-Fi in the libraries. But I think given the current state of affair with COVID and lots of blended learning and online learning, the online resources that we offer at Swansea Libraries are second to none. And it just gives another way of accessing information, accessing literature to support young people with their reading habits.